As a food goddess, I love to share every delicious thing that I eat on this platform, and one of it is ice cream recipes. Today's video, we are collaborating with Exhibiting Mommy's Recipe, and we are making sweet corn ice cream. My name still remains Yummy Cash. You can call me the food goddess. And if you are hearing my voice for the first time, I post a lot of distinct food content on this channel. So if you need a little bit of food inspiration, I will be very much glad if you subscribe to this channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. I will leave you here to enjoy this video. But before you leave this platform, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash.